All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are coming live from our Joburg office. Good morning and welcome back to the opening bell with myself, Tshepo and Ashley. And this is brought to you by TD Markets and TD Markets Academy every Mondays to Fridays at 9, streaming live on YouTube. I hope everyone is well this morning. It's a Friday. We're about to wrap up the trading week, and we're also gonna basically touch on the Jackson Hole Symposium. All right. So without further ado, I think let's get straight into it. All right. So today is gonna be day two, or is day two of the Jackson Hole Economic Symposium. This is an annual gathering where central bankers come together, economists come together, and then they talk about various issues. But one important issue is going to be the interest rates, right? The US interest rates. So the Fed Chair Jerome Powell is going to speak later today. I think that is 2 p.m. South African time. All right. I think that side might be in the morning. So he's going to speak today. A lot of traders are waiting to hear whether he's going to give hints on the upcoming or the possible rate cuts. All right, it's going to be hints. It's going to maybe hint on the September cut, maybe the November cut. So that is what a lot of traders are waiting for. So I think that is going to be the major issue because there is also political pressure for or to reduce interest rates or to cut interest rates in the US, right? And also we know that the effects on tariffs on some economic data like your non-farm payroll. So this is going to be interesting to hear what he's going to be saying. All right, so you can catch it on YouTube on any of the major news channels on YouTube. Just look for Jackson Hole Symposium. I think it will be streaming live. All right. So keep an eye on it. Let's see what's going to happen. And this morning we're going to have a look at the crypto. All right. We're going to have a look at Bitcoin. We're going to have a look at Ethereum. We're going to have a look at Cardano. All right. Because we have some interesting price action that is developing here. All right. So starting with Bitcoin, we can see that Bitcoin overall has been bullish overall. Right. It is, it has been bullish overall. And then it has come back down to the support. All right, so now on this support, since price is bullish, all right, we would anticipate a continuation of the trend, right, since the overall price is bullish. But now there are always two possibilities on how price is going to react on the support, right? The first possibility is obviously a reversal. The second possibility might be a break, right? So first things first, we wanna look for this possibility first, right? If price breaks down, then we'll come back and reanalyze. But these are the two possibilities, right? I mean, any move towards the downside is short term. Any move to the upside can potentially be long term. All right. So this is the outlook we are going with. All right. So Bitcoin, this is what we are looking at. Let's see what price is gonna do. If the market then reverses towards the upside, we're gonna go with it. If it breaks, we're gonna approach this from a short-term point of view. All right. So Bitcoin, this is how it's looking this morning. And then we've got Ethereum as well. So Ethereum is also trading on the support, right? And we can see that the trend is still bullish. So what are we looking for? We are looking for a continuation towards the upside. All right. So this one you will notice if you go to your lower time frames, you'll notice that it is currently trading within this channel, and so we are looking for the channel to break. Right, we are looking for the channel to break and then price to head towards the upside. So it's just looking for a continuation of the trend. So Bitcoin and Ethereum, we have a similar price action. All right, and then the last one is going to be Cardano. Now Cardano is also, it has retraced back to the support. You see how we have this weekly support there on the weekly time frame. We've got a retracement. And so what we're looking for is a continuation towards the upside. All right. This is what we're looking for. So we'll be keeping a very close eye on how price is gonna react. But whatever happens here, as long as we've got a higher high, right? Even if this correction can be a little bit deeper, can be a little bit deeper, um, as long as we have a higher high, we are looking for continuation towards the upside. All right. So Ethereum, we are looking for this possibility. Bitcoin, we are looking for this possibility towards the upside. If it breaks down, then we will reanalyze. But we're looking for this possibility with Bitcoin, and then we have Cardano, all right, where we're looking for some upside. So I think overall we remain bullish on the. We'll come back next week with some updates, but let's just keep a very close eye on how price is gonna react, right? If Bitcoin drops, it will potentially be a short-term move if it drops, and then we'll just react accordingly, right? We'll just react accordingly. But for now, this is how we see the cryptos moving, and yeah, let's see what's gonna happen. All right. So that's it, ladies and gentlemen, from us this week. Catch us back again next week. It has been a good one. So let's keep an eye on these cryptos and we'll come back again next week. All right. Enjoy your weekend. Stay safe. And yeah, we'll catch you guys back again on Monday. Cheers, everyone.